That's why we wanted to start on a close-up of the feet and come out to Paul Fetty, because could that be a little kitty cat's foot?
Could be.
Could that be a little puppy dog's foot?
Yes.
Could it have 20 ounces of Bloody Mary inside for Uncle David?
And come with a gift box?
Thank you.
Yes.
These are so cute, but
Yes.
an expiring, first of all, they're brand new.
Yes.
And an expiring price goes away end of day today.
Okay.
So price, easy pay, it all goes away and expires end of day.
Okay.
Now, Tara is the designer, she is the CEO, and she is also the founder of Temp-tations. Good to have you back, friend.
Great to be here, as always.
21 years with Temp-tations.
21 years, exactly.
But you and I, we were trying to decide how
4
long.
years
So,
prior.
So 25 years.
25 years.
So 25 of my 30, I've
yes.
known you.
Yes, correct.
It's hard to believe that when I was brand new, I didn't know you.
Exactly.
I can't remember
But you
a
knew
ti-
Ed. You knew my husband.
I can't remember a time at QVC when I didn't know Tara. Come on
I
now.
love you.
Come on
You're
now.
so good.
I can't remember a time that Tara was not a part of our family. This is
So stinking cute.
so beautiful, and it's
got
a
it back there.
single.
Yep.
You order by character. Now, don't be looking for faces. Your face becomes the face, right?
Exactly.
Now, the first one is Santa. So from the belt up, that's all you, baby.
Look at that. The boots, the little
There's
gold
Santa.
buckle.
Next to that is the elf. From the scarf up, that's all you. All right. Then Wimbley. Wimbley of the
Look at
reindeer.
the reindeer.
And they included his little antlers, but you know, you're
And the
still
nose.
gonna be his face.
Antlers and nose.
And the nose. And then finally we have Paul Fetty. Each comes with its own matching gift box.
Amazing.
The capacity of these mugs?
20 ounces.
20
Which is
ounces.
such a great size, right? So when you're doing things like maybe it's a Bloody Mary, look how great this is. So obviously, you know, our stoneware goes in the oven. These do too, still up to 500 degrees. They can go in the fridge so you can keep cold things colder longer.
Love it.
Of course, throw them in the dishwasher when you want to clean them, and you can put them in the fridge and the freezer, of course, as well. So look what we did over here at Little Cookies for Santa. So we
Is
did
that hot cocoa?
Yes.
You know, our theme tonight is hot cocoa.
Is it? I knew that.
Well, every show, like Sunday's theme was Escape to the Tropics.
Yes. Oh,
Tonight,
I love that.
we're celebrating cocoa.
Uh-huh. Look
That's
at how
20 ounces of
stinking
cocoa.
cute. So if you're looking for a last-minute gift, when you think about the fact that this is all stoneware, under $18, it comes in a gift box. It's actually a no-brainer.
500 are gone.
Oh, thank you, everybody.
And guess which one is most popular?
I actually have no clue.
Meow bark.
Really?
Paul Fetty.
Ooh, meow bark.
Meow bark. That's my clue
Right.
for Paul Fetty.
Right.
Yeah, if you're interested in Paul Fetty, it will come along with, pardon my reach.
Yeah, no, here you go.
Here is the box.
Thank you for
so
doing
you
that.
will get the gift box along with the 20-ounce mug. Can these mugs go in the dishwasher?
Yes, they can. And that's already got the little bow. It's got the little to from tag, so you're
So
ready to roll.
cute.
Everything that you love from Temp-tations.
And guaranteed to arrive before Christmas.
I
You
love
pay
that.
the regular shipping at home,
Yep.
everybody, meaning you. And we'll take care of whatever else is necessary
Exactly.
to get it there on time.
Yeah.
This is part of our under the tree guarantee. How about that?
Super cute.
1,000 of these are gone
my
now.
gosh,
If
thank
you
you,
want
guys.
Paul Fetty,
They're so stinking cute.
by far the most popular. I have 1,400 remaining, and they're all going very quickly. This is brand spanking new. Still time to get it in time for Christmas. It's guaranteed delivery. We call it the under the tree guarantee.
I love that.
Back when I was a brand new host, we used to use the tagline, "There's no place like home for holiday shopping."
Ooh.
We used to say that too.
Yes.
We also used to say, all of the joy and none of the hassle.
Hassle. I do remember that. I do.
How about that?
And this is one of those great gifts. Talk about bringing joy, whether it's the elf shoes. And here we can really show you the close-up, because I know when we show them up in the cabinet, you can't always see.
Turn to
Look
the
how
side.
adorable. All individually hand-painted. They're his sweet little boots, or his little elf
I wonder
shoes.
if those little pointy shoes are comfortable.
Well, most women will tell you no, they're not. No, they're not.
Never having worn a pointy shoe, I couldn't tell you.
No, I'm going to run over here real quick to the oven.
You know what? It was singing during my presentation with Brian, so whatever's in there is
It
done.
was ready to go.
Is that
but
French onion soup?
This is French onion soup. You know we have to. Whenever David and I are together, we have to do a French
It's our
onion
most
soup.
favorite soup.
Yes, it is.
So remember, this is stoneware. You can bake in
Yep.
this, you can do soup in this, whatever the case may be, and if it gets melty, warm, gooey, schmooey, looey, dewy, I mean,
Have 'em
whatever
all
it
over.
is. Yeah, have them all over. Because this is going to do the job. If you want to pick up more than one of these, there is no limitation. You may buy as many as you like. This has the under the tree guarantee. We will ship this right to wherever it needs to go in time for Christmas. No questions, no concerns. Is that like a
yogurt parfait?
I was going to say a breakfast
Yeah,
parfait.
yeah, exactly. So what I love also is, remember, cold things cold too. So whether it's an ice cream sundae or a yogurt parfait, parfait, we got you covered.
2,000 gone in this show.
Oh my gosh, thank you, everybody.
Now,
They're
let's
so
go back
cute.
here and do choices. I'm going to move this little tree out of the way because
Could
it's
you?
in my way.
Here's me. Where are all the choices? And
Let me
Lexi
move this little
says,
tree out
"It's
the
up
way."
There. I go, well, I can't
move
reach.
this little tree out the way.
I can't reach that.
It's way in my way. Sorry, sets and props. This is Santa.
Look how sweet. I love
Final
the boots.
700,
Oh my
and the
gosh.
boots are so cute
And the
with
buckle?
the buckles.
Yes, all hand painted.
What
you
was that? I'm
guys.
sorry, Brian? Everyone's picking up more than one.
Oh.
Right?
Yes.
And then here's Elf, 1,300. Then the reindeer.
Wembley.
How
It's
many?
cute.
1,100. But if you want Paul Fetty, I have 750 remaining, and that's for dog and kitty cat
Yes,
lovers.
of course. And then you have the hearts, of course, in the yellow and in the yellow, not even a little, in the red and the black with all of the little hearts. So fun. And the feet, there is no yellow. And the feet, I don't know where it came from. It just came out. It's because Brian's not giving me any updates. I'm out of my element tonight. Just kidding.
Oh!
Here is a cobbler, so you know.
She
we
not
love
only
this.
called you out, Brian, she called you out by name.
I mean,
I'm,
right, exact. Oh, you did, didn't you? Thank you.
Is this hot to the touch?
Yes, it's hot. But what I was kind of saying would
I
be
was gonna
fun.
put
Yes.
them right there on the plate.
Yeah, is now you can create this like with your soup and sandwich and some of the other things that you're already having. Look at how great that mug layers in.
And
These are
then
such a great
dunk
size. Dunk
the sandwich
okay.
and the soup.
Oh, okay. I got you. Ooh, I
You
burnt
picking
it
up
a
what I
little
put
bit.
in now?
Look
Yeah,
at
well,
that.
hello. That's all right.
You can have it either
a little
burnt,
extra charcoal
or
for
you
you.
could have it beautiful. You pick.
You choose. I'm sure whoever saw that was like, please don't turn it around.
Yeah, exactly. And
yeah.
they probably told me not to turn it around.
Yeah,
It's
who
all
knows?
good. It's
Hey,
all good.
that looks like David's cookies are there on the end.
Look how cute this is too.
Really,
Yeah.
really perfect. Now, don't miss out on these. And how many are gone now? Now over 2,800. Alexi, do we have that trivia question?
Paul
Brian wanted me
Fetty's
to
last
do-
call. Brian wanted me to let you know.
Oh, Paul Fetty is last call. I've only been here 900 years.
Final 400.
Final 400 is all we have left. I can't do more than one thing at one time. All right, trivia question.
Yes.
How many letters are written and sent to Santa each year?
That's a good question.
Is it A, 50,000, B, 32,000, C, 10,000, or D, 15,000?
Did you say 32,000?
32,000.
I'm going 32,000.
B, 32,000 is
Yeah,
your guess? At
yeah.
the end of the show, we will reveal the answer. It's in this card
What
right
was
there.
what was last week's answer?
Last
what was
week's
the tropical
answer.
question?
Oh no, it was everyone's dancing merrily in the good
Oh,
old-fashioned way.
right. Was it rocking around the
Rocking around
Yes!
the Christmas tree?
I only knew that from Home Alone.
Every single person guessed
Yeah.
it correctly.
Oh, see that?
All right, and in this question, we've had two guesses.
Okay.
One of them correct,
Oh,
one of them not.
sorry, Melissa. I'm right.
Hard to say.
Just kidding.
All right, we have an update for you. Steve-O, you want to talk about our update?
It's wine? That's amazing. Congratulations to those of you that were able to pick this up. We got plenty of vintage wine happening all over QVC.com, but a big congratulations for picking up this 30th anniversary special. And the calendar